Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to deactivate Instagram account, and now let's dive right in. First open up the Instagram app, but before we proceed guys, do make sure to subscribe to my channel because it helps me a lot. And with that being said, let's open up the Instagram app, and on this interface guys, we will be required to tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture icon, and on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the tree-lined icon. Tap on that tree-lined icon guys, and over here you'll be required to tap on the account center, and again over here scroll down until you can find the personal details. Just below the password and security, tap on the personal details, and over here guys, tap on the account ownership and control just below the identity confirmation. And over here you can spot the deactivation or deletion option available for us. Tap on deactivation or deletion, and over here on this interface tap on your Instagram account, and over here you can tap or the deactivate account is auto chosen. So let's proceed with the deactivate account, and again tap on continue. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your password of your account, and on the next step your account will be deactivated until the time you deactivate it, or until the time you log in and choose to deactivate your account. And so guys, this is how to deactivate your Instagram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.